it feels like going back to the same thing. So the kind of homework that you need to do first time onwards is done. Then you tweak it a little bit and ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती.
It depends on what you're doing. If
Yeah.
you're doing a play, obviously you need to read the whole script.
Ah.
If you're doing a film, you need to read the whole script. If you're doing a series, then maybe reading the whole script will take away from you doing your work.
मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है
Oh.
जब नेगेटिव चीजें पढ़ने को मिलती है बिकॉज आई फील आजकल लोगों के पास बहुत वक्त है. जब इनिशियली लीगल शोज बनते थे तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ कोर्ट रूम तक ही सीमित रहता था. इट वाज मोर अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंस देयर, बट ऑन दिस शो वी टुक इट टू व्हाट अ लॉयर्स लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट.
बचपन में
आई
ऐसा कुछ
लव
ख्वाब
द
था?
फैक्ट दैट यू से बचपन में और लोगों को क्लैरिटी मिल जाती. मुझे तो अभी तक क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि क्या
Yeah.
करना है लाइफ
Yeah.
में. हाय, दिस इज नेहा शर्मा
And this is Neil Bhupalam,
और आप हमें देख रहे हैं शुभजीत के
YouTube channel पे.
भाई मेरे दोस्तों, when you talk about legal and illegal, I think conversations तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, but मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ with something which is very illegal, वो ये है कि इतना खूबसूरत लगना and इतना handsome and charming लगना is definitely illegal. Do you agree with that or not? कितने लोग आप लोग को कहते होंगे when they say कि नेहा, it's seriously illegal to look this beautiful and charismatic. कितने
How
लोग कहते हैं?
sweet, you've made my day. बहुत लोग नहीं कहते, अच्छा लगता है सुनने में.
What are you guys doing? You should be actually appreciating somebody.
No, you've been kind enough, Neil's been kind enough, and people have been kind enough.
So he has said that, right?
said that today.
हो ना, एकदम.
So I'm having a good day.
I state the obvious.
You state the obvious, of course, very well needed as well. This is something I believe that's coming after 3 years.
It's been a while, I stopped counting.
Three years is a long time, and सबको
Wow.
basic crux of the matter पता है कि अगर कोई चीज तीसरे बार आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये है कि पहले 2 बार सक्सेस हुआ है, which is why otherwise people don't dare to bring up the third part. Now what I need to know is that from your end, this is a character that you have breathed and literally got into the skin in every way, and you've lived it, right? When you approach a new character versus when you are approaching a character which you have already played but नए तरीके से for a नया season, difference क्या है in the mental part of it?
If I'm going to play a character which is pretty much the same, तो वो it feels like going back to the same thing. So the kind of homework that you need to do first time onwards is done. Then you tweak it a little bit and ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. But when you get into a new character, also season 3 Niharika is completely different. So it's again like a new character. Then I think you have to be mentally prepared one, and I think थोड़ा काम करना पड़ता है because what I knew of Niharika, that's not the Niharika that I'm going to be playing in season 3. So I think this time around it was not the same as doing the same thing that I did in season 2.
As far as illegal is concerned, उनको हम veteran बोल सकते हैं in a positive way because she's been there right from the beginning. What was your first conversation with her when you met her on sets? Because I'm sure बाहर भी आपने उनका काम तो देखा ही होगा. She has this huge versatile folio. She works in different entertainment, fun वाले films and at the same time some serious legal dramas as well. What was your first conversation with her? Apart from that, that compliment which we just mutually gave her.
Yes, no.
I don't think that was the
That
compliment you
wasn't.
gave me.
When I first met, no, I did not state the obvious when I first met Neha, but we were sitting side by side for our reading. That was the first time we met, and I hadn't ordered my lunch, so Neha shared her lunch with me, and I thought that was the beginning of a great
A
friendship.
sweet friendship, yes. वो जो नहीं होते स्कूल में नया बच्चा
yeah,
आता है.
Tiffin share करना.
Mingling and ensuring. But मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा है, I don't know if you correct me if I'm wrong.
Right.
I've read that आप पूरा script नहीं पढ़ते हो. You just either read bits and parts of it or
Yes.
you just hear and ये कैसे mechanism होता है, because I want to understand, because it's a time saving format, right, at the end of
I
the
mean,
day.
it depends on what you're doing. If
Yeah.
you're doing a play, obviously you need to read the whole script. If you're doing a film, you need to read the whole script. If you're doing a series, then maybe reading the whole script will take away from you doing your work.
Yeah.
So I'll read the first few episodes in its entirety to understand the dynamics between the existing characters, and also see, क्योंकि हर show में there's a certain grammar and rhythm that they
True.
like, the producers and the makers like to tell a story. उसके बाद I make sure that I get all my scenes, and if there are any scenes where people are talking about my character, so I may not be in that, but if they're talking about my character, I want that scene.
Yeah, it's a very, I think economical way of going ahead. We think economical when I say in terms of time, because
Yeah.
दूसरे projects भी आ रहे हैं, उनके भी script पर पढ़ रहे होते हैं.
नहीं वो अब एक ही project at one time, but
Let's manifest for more, yeah, of course.
but the point is, and also on set, then especially the person who's got
Yeah.
the script, and for us it was Meher, I think,
Yeah,
who had it, and I would then just go to her and I'm like, okay, what happened before this scene? क्या हुआ था? Then,
Yeah, Meg
then
was helping you all the
she'd
time.
tell me the whole, like,
Yeah.
and it's fun also, no?
Yeah.
Because then you're like with someone and you're discussing it.
Correct. तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि she's been of course there and slaying it from the first season
Loads.
itself, and तो मुझे बताओ सर कि apart from sharing her food, did she share any inputs and tips as well? कि यार,
Energy.
Yeah, energy, which is very important because you
Yes.
carry that throughout, right?
Yes, especially like not only when we were doing our scenes together, but just when, especially in the courtroom, there was Neha, there's Zoya, both putting forth their argument, and
Zayn is playing Zoya on the show.
Zayn,
Zayn, yeah.
I beg your pardon. So Zayn, and to see the energy, dude, that whole day. They were just standing. You were just standing on your feet, and just there was lagatar like the hawa that
Yeah.
was coming out of this thing, and it's hot because we were shooting in Mahalakshmi side, I think.
And the places are so closed
It's
and compact,
congested.
so many
Yeah.
people.
Yeah, so you got to keep calm and
How nice. How nice.
and be
Sweat it
illegal.
out.
Sweat it out, and like एकदम आके एकदम कड़क performance देना is what the need of the
Yes.
hour is. I want to know from your end कि illegal is one project. I saw a lot on Google as well. एक चीज मैंने बहुत common देखा, and I'll show you as well if needed. It talks about how illegal as a series is about breaking stereotypes. Because
Oh.
courtroom dramas बहुत आते हैं. Legal dramas we see in either movies हो या web series हो in different formats. TV shows में भी आते हैं, right? But illegal के बारे में बोला जाता है कि this is something boss that breaks stereotypes.
I
Right
love
from the
that.
first season to now, being the performing artist yourself, how do you feel, how do you think that this show of yours, this beautiful baby of yours, has broken stereotypes?
First of all, thank you for informing me about such a thing. Actually, मैं अपना काम Google करके वो सब नहीं
Yeah.
देखती हूँ क्योंकि usually मुझे बहुत stress हो जाता है जब negative चीजें पढ़ने को मिलती है, because I feel आजकल लोगों के पास बहुत वक्त
Actually
है,
वो ज्यादा होता है, negativity
बहुत
ज्यादा है.
वक्त है उनके पास ट्रोलिंग करने की, तो अच्छी चीजें पढ़ने को मिलती नहीं है, which used to be such a special
Delight
time
at that
earlier
point.
where there were nice things being said about people or nothing at all.
Yeah.
People didn't have the time to do all of this negative banter. But coming back to your thing, I don't know. I must read what are they actually talking
शूट
about.
खत्म होती ही दिखाता हूँ आपको.
Gee, but I'm grateful to the writers who
Yeah.
did. जब initially legal shows बनते थे, तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ, courtroom तक ही सीमित रहता था. It was more about what happens there. But on this show, we took it to what a lawyer's life is all about. The
Yes.
interpersonal
Yeah.
relationships with different people, with the clients, everything. So I think वो कुछ नया करने की कोशिश थी उस वक्त. अब अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि अच्छी चीजें कह रहे हैं लोग, तो शायद वो कोशिश सक्सेसफुल हो चुकी है.
100% it has, and I'm sure 3 के बाद touchwood manifesting की और ज्यादा हो. But हर एक इंसान का एक I think छोटा kind of dream रहता है. Eventually when you grow up and you're maturing, then you realize what you actually want to do. Like for me, it was about maybe podcasting and becoming an MC, etc. आपके लिए
Right.
calling अलग था, actor. For you as well was like that. But बचपन में जब होता है, like we want to be different thing, like जब सचिन तेंदुलकर को बैटिंग करते हुए हम देखते, we want to be like Sachin, we want to be a cricketer, like so बचपन में ऐसा कभी ख्वाब था कि यार मैं कभी बड़े होके लॉयर बन जाऊं, या फिर I do something or the other in that space before eventually realizing कि नहीं मुझे उसमें नहीं करना, I want to slay as an actor. But बचपन में
I
ऐसा कुछ
love
ख्वाब
the
था?
fact that you say बचपन में और लोगों को क्लैरिटी मिल जाती. मुझे तो अभी तक क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि क्या
वाह.
करना है life.
Yeah.
में,
because
you know?
she is still
Yeah,
in
yeah,
her
I
bachpan, that is why she
नहीं
is still
नहीं
young.
I'm still figuring, you know, मैं हर दिन ये सोचती हूँ कि मैं सही जगह पे हूँ या कुछ और करना है.
yeah.
So I'm not still. I don't think I've
Yeah.
found my calling. I don't know. Neil must have,
For-
like, because I heard in an interview where you were saying that you want to die on a film set. Did you say that? You want to finish.
Out of
Not
all
too
the
soon.
wonderful things, you
Not
only
too
remember
soon.
about the part that he
Yeah.
spoke about his death.
No. What I mean is, he want to do
I
it
wanna
till
work
his,
till
till he's really old and all.
Yeah.
Which I believe is 103
Oh, thanks
years
very
old.
much.
I like
Yeah.
that number.
But I, you know, I am an accidental actor. In
Oh,
terms
yeah.
of I didn't know what I wanted to do. I studied mass media. I wanted to get into advertising. I wanted to be like a creative director in advertising. And then wahan pe there was like, you know, the beginning of some theater that happened. So I
Yeah.
said, chalo, I want to do theater. And I thought maybe I'll do like, you know, like Alec Padamsi back in the day where
Oh.
he do advertising and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, theater. But the evolution happened in the mass media where suddenly there was a boom and then some people had come and seen my plays. And in fact, that's how Shaitan also happened because Bijoy Nambiar had come to see
2010,
something
I
at-
believe, right?
yes.
2010.
We shot then and released in 11. And Bijoy had seen me on stage at Juhu Prithvi down the road.
Oh, ho, ho.
And then wahan se, then I got a call to this thing. So then that
Wow.
The cycle
so
in
it
itself.
became, and I mean, then of course, by the age of 24, I wanted to be a full-on actor.
क्या बात है. And I think this is one of those happy accidents which, you know, usually accident is not something that we relate in a good
In a
but-
good way.
yes,
yeah.
But this is a good thing. अच्छा हुआ वो
Yeah,
accident
I
हुआ,
think
अच्छा हुआ आप एक्टर बने, अच्छा हुआ आप काम कर रहे हो, इतने
Yeah.
लीगल तरीके से इलीगल जैसे प्रोजेक्ट में धमाल मचा रहे हो.
Wow.
You know,
Yes.
I could have gone on and on because that's how I love to go ahead with things, but I have to wrap it up because time कम है.
Okay,
One
Sunny.
thing which is I believe a very pertinent question in today's time कि you know, according to you individually, it's a question that's common for you both कि ऐसा कोई चीज आप बताइए जो शायद इलीगल नहीं है but say morally illegal है which people should consider when they are doing you know that act कि शायद वो गलत है but then it's not illegal by you know say the books of it. ऐसा कुछ चीज you can think of?
Wow. Yeah, I mean,
आपके वाव से लग रहा है पहली बार आज ये सवाल किसी ने
Yeah,
पूछा है.
yeah.
no,
Very good
yeah, okay,
question.
good. It's a good question. It's a good question, but I've understood it, and I have no comment on it actually.
इतने सारे है सर को याद नहीं आ रहा. That is what I can put it
See,
up.
what do you do, man? Like, what is morally right or wrong is totally up to an individual's
Subjective,
freedom.
correct.
You know, so that's the thing. But it's a great question.
I think we would love to hear from you as well.
Something that's morally
Like
legal.
let's put it, let's
Like
be more
कानून के
specific
हिसाब से
according to
ऐसा.
your morals. चलो सबका morals तो अलग है, आपके
हाँ.
morals के हिसाब से ऐसा कुछ चीज
जो एक चीज लीगल है जो इलीगल होनी चाहिए.
नहीं जो illegal नहीं है
हाँ.
but morally illegal है according to your morals.
I can't think of anything on top of
कोई
my
बात
mind.
नहीं,
आप
we
बताइए
have
हमें.
decided mutually ये जब जवाब उनको आ जाएगा वो बाद में मुझे मैसेज कर देगी, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, मैंने do it on YouTube and put it up.
So sweet.
But guys, thank you so much for giving me your valuable and precious time. And like I said, illegal season 3 है. So 3 का मतलब क्या है? सिर्फ season 3 नहीं है. 3 का मतलब ये है कि 3x the entertainment, 3x the धमाका, 3x everything, 3x of Neha's beauty, 3x of his humor and charm, 3x of everything. So if you're ready,
How sweet.
I think Jio Cinema is the platform. उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. Once this project starts streaming, Jio Cinema छोड़ के कहीं मत जाओ. आगे भी they'll keep bringing new projects. We want the 4th season as well, right? So if you want that, please stay hooked and make it a success. Huh? That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show by Rohit Consulting. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only Neha as well as Neil. I'll see you all very soon with another interesting episode. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.
Thanks,
This
Sunny.
was so fun,
Yeah.
Sunny. Thank
Very good,
you.
very good.
Thank you.